Let's reinstall Windows from a USB drive. This will remove all the bloatware that came with your PC and should return your PC to a like-new state. In this video, we will make a list of all the applications installed on your PC so it will be easier to reinstall all the applications after we have reinstalled Windows. Also, we'll try to get your Windows key and prepare your PC to make the media creation tool required. In the next video, you will see how to back up your files and get your Windows key before we start the reinstallation process. If you want to skip these steps, you can move on to the next video. First, we'll make a list of all our applications installed. We will go into the PowerShell and paste in this snippet to create a file listing most of the applications on our system. All of the snippets used will be included in the description to this video. The only thing you will need to change is your username. You can find your username by opening up Files Explorer and going to Users. Put this in the username area. What this command does is it creates a text file listing all the installed programs it could find. Take this file and add it to the USB drive. Then we could get the Windows key in case we need it later. We will need to fix some things before we can get the Windows key. And we will type in services.msc and press enter. We must make sure these 5 things are running and are set to auto. Background, Intelligent Transfer Services, IKE, Key Models, Server, Windows Update, and Workstation. After you've done this, close the screen and we will open the registry editor. This time we will type in REGEDIT to open up the registry editor. Go to Local Machine, Software, Microsoft, Windows, Current Version, Windows Update. In this file, look for a setting OS Update. And change the parameters. After closing the registry editor, we will attempt to get the Windows key for your system. We will open up the PowerShell, then paste the snippet and run it. If this fails to get your key, then we will try the next snippet, and lastly the third snippet. Hopefully one of these snippets will have success for you. After you get the key, save it in a text file we have on the USB drive. While you're at it, be sure to save your username and password you use to log into Windows. This will come in handy later. In the next video, we will back up your files and download the Windows Media Creation tool. You will need a 10 and above gigabyte USB drive. Join me in the next video and hit that like button or subscribe. Also, you can watch my stream at twitchtv.com or here on YouTube.